Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to adjust stadium in Ultimate Team. In the beginning, let's go to Ultimate Team mode and find Club and Stadium. Go to Structure, and here you can change Stadium Template, Stadium Team. You can adjust color, seat color, VIP area, goal net color, goal pyrotechnics, pitch line color, and pitch mow pattern. All of those things can be unlocked with completing objectives. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.